Good day, family. Once more we are here. Today we are cooking fish and sour veg and potato, sweet potato. We are going to cut our fish, as you can see. For us to clean our fish, I will use a lemon. I will squeeze the juice in the basin. You can see the water is coming out from the tap. Not hot water, but a cold water. I will squeeze the juice inside, and then you start to clean your fish nicely to remove all the dirt. You can see as we're doing, we're cleaning our fish. I will use the fish spice. After cutting my fish, I spice it with a fish spice. We add the black pepper. Turn it, you mix. This is garlic. You add some garlic, a piece of garlic. You mix. In the meantime, you can see I'm putting oil in the frying pan. When the oil will be hot, and then we continue. In the meantime, this is our sour veg. You clean it. You can see, you clean your sour veg. You clean. You must clean it nicely for the sand to be removed. To remove all the sand, as you can see. I put it in the pot. I put water. I will boil it. Boil it. Leave it for some 5 to 10 minutes to be soft. And now you can see the oil is hot. We take our fish to fry. We put inside the frying pan in the oil. Frying our fish. This side we have our tomato fresh tomato. We have garlic. We have a spring onion, green pepper. We cut it together. We're gonna blend it. Now the veg is ready. You can see. Boil is soft. As you can see, it's very soft. We remove it from there because we're gonna eat our fish and veg with a sweet potato. After cleaning my potato, as you can see, I will put in the pot where it will be boiled. See, our sweet potato are here. We just remove the edge as I'm doing. After finishing to frying our fish, now we take all that we have blended. Tomato, garlic, and we start frying it. We put together spring onion and the green peppers. I will add the nutmeg in the our ground ginger. The ginger is there. Put some. You can use the fresh one or the ground one. Here I'm using the ground one. You can see I put some bay leaves and chili inside. You turn, must be cooked very well. You fry it slowly. You're adding water to make it well done cooked. As you can see, our pot for the potato is boiling until it will be soft. Then you remove. This is our veg that we remove from the water after boiling it. We take our sour veg, we mix it in the tomato, in the soup that we're frying. You start frying slowly with a low heat. You turn it. You can see you must mind the chili inside. You must not break it because other people they don't like chili, because the chili gives this nice aroma. You can see you're frying with a low heat. Now this is our fish that we have fried. Go to check our pots. This for the potato, as you can see. Now when the sauce is ready with that veg mixed together, we take it now. Put in the frying fish in the pot where our fish was. Put it together and then you take water, 1 cup or 2 cups, not too much because it's fish. The fish is already soft and it's cooked because we fry it. You put in the fish, as you can see. After mixing, you turn it, you cover the pot. Leave it for some minutes for everything to be mixed together. You can add some stock or some salt, not too much, depending on how you like it, and you cover the pot. Here we have a garlic, we have the green peppers, chili, spring onion, we have fresh ginger this side, and a small celery, as you can see in the green plate. Yeah, this is another fresh fish. After cleaning the fish with lemon, I will take the black pepper. This is another kind of fish I'm making as a bonus. You see, put black pepper. This is a garlic and herbs. Small. Now I will take the chili, green, yellow, red pepper plus onion. I put there. I will take the celery, the small I cut. I put it inside. I put on top, as you can see. And this is a fresh ginger. You take it, you just squeeze the juice from it. Yeah. I'm just squeezing the juice. Yes, as you can see. Very nice. You can see already. And this is a tomato. I just take 1 tomato fresh. You blend it and then you put together. Start mixing, as you can see. It's so nice. You take the stock, you put the stock, you mix together. You can taste, you see if the salt is fine, or if you want to add salt, depend of you. Take our fish spice because it's salty also. You just put small. Yeah. then you take the foil paper, you spread it, you put the fish on top, and then you add oil. It depends. Here we are using the olive oil, but you can take any oil you use. You put together, as you can see. You turn it, and then I make here too. You put now in the oven. Already preheat the oven. When the oven is hot, and then you put it. Here you can see the fish mixed with the sour veg is ready, and also our sweet potato are soft. The fish is ready. As you can see, you must enjoy your food. Very nice, so healthy. As you can see, fish is nice, and our veg also is very nice. Enjoy your food. Wow, as you can see the colors. Wow, enjoy your food. Subscribe to our channel, like, leave a comment, share. God bless you. Thank you.